Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So I'm NK Hustler. So in this video we are going to be checking about the Hamster Kombat Allocation. We're going to check in our airdrops and we are also going to be talking about the listing price prediction. So before then, I have another bonus for you. So don't skip this video. Alright, so before I dive into the Hamster Kombat, this is another legit airdrop backed by KuCoin. It's called Xkucoin. It's on Telegram right now over here. All you have to do, I will leave a link in the description. If you want us to sign up, just click on the link in the description, or I will leave it in the comment section. Click on it, it will direct you to Telegram. So first of all, it is just a simple task. All you have to do is to click on this thing. You see, they'll be giving you a 3,000. Just to click on it, the first tax. The second tax is to, you see, when you use my link, they are going to give you 10,000 coins as a sign up bonus. So make sure to use my link in the description or comment section. Use it and get 10,000 coins. Without coins, you will not get any bonus. So the second tax is for you to come to the wallet section over here. So when you come here, come and connect your wallet. You see, I've already connected my wallet. When you connect your wallet, they are going to give you 50,000 coins as a free bonus. So guys, this is as simple as that. Make sure not to fade away this airdrops. So it is also backed by Catizen. So guys, KuCoin is very a legit exchange. It's one of the top 10 exchange. So you can check it out. So without then, let's jump back to the Hamster Kombat and let me show you something over here. So we are back on the Hamster Kombat over here. So let's check out airdrop. So first of all, come to airdrop section over here. Click on the airdrop section over here. You see, it has left with 4 days for the listing price, and they are saying that off-chain deposit to Binance, OKS, Bybit, and wallet in Telegram are closed. So which means that if you haven't connected your wallet yet, guys, make sure that you are not going to receive your tokens. All right, this is what they are actually saying over here. As you can see, this is what they are actually saying over here. So I'm sorry for those who were not able to connect their wallet to it. All right, so let's get back to our main process. So Hamster Kombat token is finally out, allocation is out. So you see, I've accumulated over 543 Hamster tokens, and they locked 63 and they gave me 479. Guys, this is actually unfair to me because of the much effort that I put on this game. So alright, so let's check the passive income. So I made 460 on the passive income, and tax I made 2.7 on the tax. Guys, this is very appealing to my opinion. And the friends, I did not even invite a lot of friends, but you see, my friend token is higher than the tax in, and even the achievement itself. Guys, this is very appealing. Comment down below if Hamster did the same thing to you. Guys, I'm not interested in this game anymore. So and the keys is also a 49. Guys, I even spent over 1.something billion coins on achievement to open a lot. So open more achievement, but it doesn't end me well. Alright, there are a bunch of airdrops over there which might be better than Hamster Kombat. So that's the one that I showed to you, Xkucoin. Guys, do not fade that one again, but because that one is also backed by KuCoin. Make sure that you also invite your friends. You also invite your friends so that you get more points on Xkucoin. So without further ado, I'll skip this video here, and in my next video, if you want me to make a video about any airdrops, Guys, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll reply you as soon as possible, and I'm going to give you a shout out to those who will be able to comment in my video. This is what I have for you guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.